22 minutes after 10 o'clock, a very good morning to you. Thank you for joining us. Wherever you may be, whatever you're doing, you stop. Because you know Anonymous is about to be on the line and you're about to help. Like I mentioned, the Naked DJ is taking a bit of a break for the week. And of course, the one and only Somizi Somgaga is right here. Hi, Somizi.
It's a Monday. Oh, you know, the biggest flex is waking up on a Monday without a hangover.
Ooh.
My Lord. Oh, I am so judgmental right now.
You're so judgmental.
If you've got babalas, shame on you.
Sus.
Ew.
What's that? I'm glad that you're here. You look good. You smell good.
Thank you.
All right. Let's get into Anonymous's situation. And hopefully, yes, South Africa, we can help. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning.
Ooh. Anonymous, where are you? In the bedroom? My guy.
I'm in a private place.
You in a what?
Place.
Private place.
Yeah, a private place, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said in a private... Never mind. All right. Anonymous, I'm going to read the house rules and then we will continue with you asking for that advice, okay?
Okay.
Heaven Anonymous. Hey,
Okay.
thank you. Hey, respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Totally agree.
All right.
Totally agree.
All right. We're listening.
Okay. Okay, this is my situation. 4 years back, I cheated. And I got caught. But the problem, I think the nice part about I cheated with my crush. I had a crush for a lot. Being kind can I to leave, please?
Yeah. Hold on. So, Anonymous, usually we start like this. I'm in a relationship that for how many years so that we get the context with who did you cheat to?
Thank you, so easy.
Yeah.
I'm in a relationship for 4 years now.
So, and 4 years ago, you cheated?
4 years ago, I cheated.
Yeah, you understand now it changes my judgment for you. Already saying a judge, but it's fine. Carry on, understand, Sam.
Okay. So, Nomutulo, and I cheated 4 years back. We are learning my mind for 4 years relationship.
Oh, okay. I'm judging you again. So, do you understand, Kuta? So, he's saying
translate.
He cheated 4 years ago when he was in a relationship, right? 4 years ago. But now, the person that he cheated with is the one that he's in a relationship with since the cheating. So, he cheated and then you broke the other relationship, right?
Yes, I broke the other relationship.
Yeah, and then you carried on with the cheatee, right?
I carried on with the one I cheated with.
Yes, a cheatee.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
All right, sharp.
Thank you so much.
She was my crush, and we've been okay ever since.
Amen.
We even had a baby now.
Okay,
Yeah.
the usual darkies.
So now the problem started. I think around June last year. We've been co-parenting with the ex because we already have a baby. So I've been co-parenting with her since that time. So now the problem started. I opened the gate. Opened something like we started chatting, talking, calling each other. Like I made her my friend.
With the ex.
With the ex.
Okay. Now, clarity again. And I'm speaking because I'm the one that's confused. So you had a child with your ex, right?
Yes, I have a child
and
with my ex.
And then do you have the child with your current lady who you cheated with?
Yes.
So you've got 2 children?
I have 2 kids.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Papa. Carry on.
So now we've been chatting, so talking on the phone. So I could
okay, she went back and they had sex.
Thank you. Doesn't that mean still Jonja?
That's Jonja. is stolen sex.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Carry on.
So now, it happened around September, and then I stopped.
Lord.
But it happened again just recently.
Okay.
So now the problem is we've been chatting like since afisa ukuthi season ukuthi asking season ngithi mina no I can't because already umuntu and my situation with I'm okay ngikhona so like what like wenzani manje nami ngithule hospital like I think my problem is I moved on to AD ngisasena my feelings for him and then they never stopped.
Okay.
Yeah, so I always had that thing with maybe, but no, I'm okay then corner like in the right places in the peace for it. So now I want to stop cheating, but the problem is before me, like I call it off totally the wrestling thing because I see what I'm damaging you somehow in type of way like this thing is going too far. Like let's just stop because I think in the long run you'll get hurt again because me, I'm okay where I am. Like sorry for now with madam for some feelings or sort of thing like I'm sorry for that but let's just stop. So I think that thing triggered her. So I asked for my number or lower current daughter TV. So
and then she called your current
even worse.
My girl. Yes.
Even worse. She took the whole thing from and she even lied about everything. She said we are paid together. So now but in all of this I want to stop. I want to stop cheating, guys. I want to stop. I even do AA or something like why do
AA is for alcohol, Papa. It's for alcohol. Axi anal.
Axi AA.
AA stands for alcohol, not anal. Not achu. Not no. AA is for alcohol, Papa. When Onila ESS.
What does that stand for?
Yeah?
What does that stand for?
Sexualitated.
Oh, Anonymous, wait with your AA now. We're coming back. Just going to news. We're coming back now, Anonymous.
Okay.
Also, we need the AA sex. Okay. We get you, Anonymous. Boy.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock ish. We've got Anonymous on the line. So Anonymous has been with his partner for 4 years now. And this relationship started as a result of him cheating on his previous partner. He had a child with the ex he cheated on, and they've been co-parenting well this whole time. They got closer again, which led to him sleeping with this ex on more than one occasions. Now, the ex caught feelings and wanted them to get back together, but he's happy with his current partner and ended the affair with his ex. There's a lot happening here. Okay. So the ex got angry and sent his current partner evidence of their affair. I'm right now, Anonymous.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good, Sumizi. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let's continue, Anonymous. Yeah, you need AA?
Yeah, I need to stop this, man. I'm tired of cheating. I'm tired.
It's a lot
And
of work.
the worst part about it is my partner is so peaceful. She's so loving.
Of course.
The current one.
I think she's the one. The one. Yeah, I know she's the one actually. She's the one, but I don't know how I put myself caught up. Like,
Okay.
so now, I need like umuntu ngangiclarifyela maybe onolwazi kabanzi kangcono ayonke lento ngenza ukuthi why is it called like why do I do this stuff? Because now ngilahlekelwa ukukhona
Ulahlekelwa ngokukhona, so it means he's losing something over nothing.
Oh,
Right. So basically the current is something and the ex is nothing.
okay.
Right. That's what he means. Right. So the lady sends, your ex sends the evidence to your current. What does your current say?
wanted to know whether she's talking the truth, she's telling the truth. So I denied wherever I can, but some of the stuff I can't because it's right there. There's evidence. Yeah. So somewhere I agreed that it happened, but not. Jalo, it was a twice thing. Then I stopped. That's why she snapped. That's why she's doing all this stuff. Like she wants to get revenge or something. Because half of it is true, what I'm saying right now. But yeah.
And how's the things at home, the situation right now?
She wants answers. Like she wants to know, but like me talking to her, it's like acting scopelumko is more like bury me, like. So I'm finding myself very, very helpless. I'm helpless.
When did this thing happen? Is it recent or a while back? You being exposed?
2 weeks back thing, yeah.
Okay, you were exposed 2 weeks back.
Yes.
Okay, so does your current know that you are the weapon formed against her and you are prospering? Because
yeah, now she knows.
Yeah, because I'll tell you why I'm saying that. Yeah, Navelina, her karma was waiting for her, but the karma is happening through the actual person that she hurt. You must remember that how you guys got together. You cheated on your ex, right?
Yeah.
With her, right?
Yeah.
Now, little did you guys know the karma is going to be exactly the ex into your relationship. So your ex is the woman scorned, the diary of an angry black woman. We understand?
Yes, I understand.
So her giving you the kunatra had more to do with revenge than anything else. Or had more to do with also being heartbroken and still want you back. But she wants to hurt your current. Because if she did not want to hurt your current, she would never have sent the evidence. Because she first wanted to get your response with, do you want us to get back together again? Right?
Yes.
And then you said, no, you are fine where you are, blah, 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 right?
Yes.
And then she sent the evidence to destroy you further. But more than anything, to destroy her. Your current, wherever she is destroyed.
Yeah, she is.
You understand?
Yes.
But now she must look at herself in the mirror and go, wow, I did not think one day the karma would come so quick and will come from the person directly that I hurted. Hated, Ningswil.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. So you understand? So
Yeah.
when she was praying, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, she was talking about you, and you became the weapon, and you prospered.
But
Because
now, Sonia, I want to change. Like, I want to change.
yes, I'm here for you. Don't worry. I will help you. I will help you. Talking from a rehabilitated philanderer. Talking from a rehabilitated philanthropist. I will help you. Ne?
Yes,
Are you ready for the words of wisdom to help you?
I am.
Right. What you have is called, in women they called it inawa. I don't know what they call it with men, but inawa. You always horny.
Okay. That's right.
I'm here now.
You always horny.
Oh.
Wena.
Oh.
Is it true or not?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Papa, say it with your chest.
Is it true
he
or
wrong
not?
or right?
Uthanda sex.
I'm going.
Uthanda is sex.
I'm under. Yeah.
Uthanda is sex. Exactly.
There we go.
So, the issue here is that you need to be, one, emotionally intelligent enough to know who to have it with. You can give the same energy to one person, but now you give your energy to somebody else. But also, Anonymous, please correct me if I'm wrong, and please be truthful. We don't know you. I don't know you. Nobody knows you right now, right?
Yes.
I want an honest answer. You are telling us about you cheated with your ex, ne?
Yes.
I don't believe from my heart of hearts she's the only one that you're cheating with. It's just that she's the one that's important because you've got a child with, and she's the one that exposed you. Anonymous, have you cheated in the period of the 4 years? Have you cheated with other ladies besides your ex? Yes or no? Truthfully, Putuam, as if this is your entrance to the gates of Gabriela.
It's true.
You've cheated with other women, right?
Yeah.
Okay, my brother. Now, I'm glad, and thank you for telling the truth, Putuam, because now I was going to advise you based on it's easier, you're focusing on one person. That is why I said you love sex, Putuami, and that's your weakness.
Okay.
That's your weakness, my brother. Now, what you need to do, first of all, how it happened with your current one where you cheated on your ex with her, forgive yourself for that, because sometimes you meet the right person through different circumstances, right? So you met Nichita, but you created something solid, right? Now, you need to do right by her. Starting by her, her trust for you is gone, but she's staying there because she loves you and she doesn't think she can do better, right? So you need to do right by her, but more than anything, professionally, you can either go for sex therapy, where you speak exactly how you feel about sex, how it makes you feel, because I think you use sex to cover up a whole lot of emotional things that are bothering you, and sex is the remedy. Like anyone, like you say, AA, anyone would go to a drink for consolation, to distract themselves, and for you that is sex, and that is the most dangerous because it's very addictive, extremely addictive, and you do it and regret after. You don't. If you start by regretting before you by thinking about it, you'll be fine. We understand? When you regret after, and you always know to regret.
And that's also true.
You understand? You always know the feeling also you told her after, but you're like, but the feeling that I'm gonna get now, it's nice, but even if it's temporal, I'm gonna do it anyway. So you can go to any therapy, any sangoma, any mfundisi. It starts with you, but it starts with a full commitment for you, not for anybody else. Not for the girlfriend, for you. It starts with you. You need to start working on yourself. Self-discipline. I want to give you one more advice when we come back before I let you go, ne?
Okay.
Okay, Putam.
It's 42 minutes after 10 o'clock. We still have Anonymous on the line. The Naked DJ is on leave. Somi's is running it this week. Som, let's continue.
Right. One more thing I wanted to advise that you do, right?
Okay.
How often do you masturbate?
I don't.
We're good. We're on the right path.
What do you mean, Somizi?
We're on the right path. Let me tell you why, Anonymous. So you believe it's a waste of time. I'm going to be by myself, and when I can get anyone, right?
I want to try this, but
why don't you like it? Oh, he hurts himself. Oh,
masturbating.
Yes, you can, because uyens are dry. Anonymous, you must get lubricants. Ne? You was a lubricant. Yes, next to his station, some condom, pharmacy. There's lubricants. Those are the things you use. It's wetter, it's softer, it's gentler. Now, so far, but it's fine. That's why I'm here for you, Putam. You came to the right place. So, I want to encourage you to start teaching yourself how to do it. It saves you from a lot of trouble. It
Okay.
saves you, Putam, from a lot of trouble. If your partner is not there and you feel the urge, doing that saves you. That could be, it can be addictive now, but as long as there's a balance. But I would rather you start training yourself to do that than every time you have the urge, you want to be with a physical human being. And that will put you in a position where at any cost you'd sleep with anyone that's available. Ne?
And that's where the problem starts.
That's where the problem. That's what the problem is. It already started, Putwam. So
Okay.
the one way that I think you must start restricting yourself is when you feel the urge. If your partner is at work on Tontoni, if you feel the urge, do that. But also, if you don't feel like doing it, hold that urge for your partner. Hold it. There's nothing as nice as walking to your home and your partner goes, "Oh baby, let's go, Kada." Yabo?
Okay.
Focus on her. Give yourself to her.
Mm.
Right?
Okay.
And then umshatanin.
As soon as unginikeza nje noma i-50,000.
And unayo i-50,000.
Problem bekuzothi sihlangane mara nami ngizothola.
Ngizakuphilela nami ngelinye ilanga.
No, problem I was going to say let's meet ngizokunika 50,000 mara wena.
Ngiyamthanda kakhulu.
Oh, Thanda, your person.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you show it now? Do it with your actions, please. Ne?
Angazi ukuthi seyahambe ngempela noma usazobuya manje ngoba
So she's left you now.
the way yakwade ngakhona.
Yeah, shame.
So
Okay, I didn't know that part she left, but fine. Now you know what to do if she comes back, even if she doesn't come back and somebody else comes into your life, you know what to do right. Ne, Putwam?
Okay.
Okay, Putwam, wishing all the best. Try everything that I've given you and we'll check up on you in 3 months' time. And don't make babies anymore, please. I want to 50,000.
Abaduri.
Exactly. Yo, show me. South Africa is an advisor for to drop your phone. I drop your phone, I drop your radio.
Okay.
All right,
No.
bye bye.
Bye-bye. Master B. South Africa, what advice do you have? Give us a call, 086-2160. 7 minutes for us to give advice to Anonymous. What are you saying, South Africa? Let's head on over to the voice notes. Neo, out in Johannesburg. Neo, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks to you. But Neo,
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
talk to us. What's your advice?
First thing first, I think if we're only going to look at like the sexual aspect of it, then we are only treating the symptoms, right? Rather than the root cause of the issue. Because Anonymous needs to ask himself, if who current partner is so peaceful, why did he cheat? You know, if there isn't, how can I put it, like things that are sort of subsiding or that are underlying that would create, because a lot of people will cheat and say it's because the new partner gave me peace, you know, this and that and the other. Whereas in this case, he cheated with the current partner on the ex, and mine is cheating on the current partner with his ex again, you know. So it's like he's not dealing with the core problem, and he needs to ask himself, besides him being always horny and all that, what is it that is a void that he's using sex to sort of be a placeholder? Because it's also that instant gratification, and it's only temporary, right? He's only solving the issue in the moment. So he's missing his ex, so he's feeling the need to fill up this void. So he's gonna go out and look for a partner, look for someone to cheat with. So he needs to have those deep conversations with himself in terms of, one, what type of life does he want? Two, what type of values or principles is he hoping Abantwana Bakhe will inherit from him? Because whatever characteristics that he's harboring currently, that's what's going to pass down to Abantwana that he gives birth to. Or that's the environment that he's going to create wherever he finds himself in. So I just feel like Anonymous really has to have substantial conversations with himself in terms of who does he envision himself to be, and so also what type of person does he want to be known as from a partner's perspective. because at the end of the day, hurt people will hurt people. But if we also go long enough without attending to the wounds that are deep lying within ourselves, then we'll also create those wounds in other people. So, hypothetically speaking, currently, he's now created something in his ex and also in his current partner that there are other partners are going to have to deal with.
Sure.
Amen.
So he needs to understand that whatever he does, his behavior is essentially leaving this whole mess behind him, and for him to just run away and want to point that, like, currently he's not taking accountability and responsibility. He's blaming his ex and saying that his ex wanted to, revenge and whatnot. When he was presented with the opportunity to be honest, to be like, there's something that's going on with me, and when as a partner, rather than me trying to find all these excuses, maybe I can bring you into this problem as my partner, and how can you best support me
Sure,
in
Neo,
terms of
wow.
really getting to the depths of what I'm struggling with.
Thank you so
Neo.
much, Neo. Wow. Ooh, 2 minutes.
Yeah.
No. Well done, Neo.
Thank you, Neo.
Jeez. Lee, out in Pretoria.
Hi, Auntie Coach.
Hi, Papa. How are you, Uncle Lee?
I'm good and yourself.
Good, thank you. What's your advice?
Hi, Somgaga.
Hey, Papi.
My advice for Anonymous is, firstly, he doesn't know Shaggy. Because firstly, he was supposed to say it wasn't me.
He was meant to
failing
deny.
to do that, I advise him to stay single for at least a year. Because if you choose the current partner over the ex, trust me, the current partner will leave you because of what you did with the ex. If you go back to your ex, she will leave you as revenge. So you choose to walk away now and be single for a year. Fix yourself before you get into the next relationship. Otherwise, this circle will continue forever.
Thank you. Thank you, Putam.
Thank you. We appreciate your call, Lee. Let's head on over to your voice notes.
Morning, Coach. How morning, Somkaka.
Morning.
This guy, kahle lo mjida ubhekene nalento ukuthi usister uthi an eye for an eye. This is revenge. Usisi got cheated on 4 years ago with the same girl. Now she's returning the favor. Umjida uganxele, bra. But take Some's advice. Your current situation, you are faced with umuntu othi an eye for an eye. It's just revenge. What you get in Durban.
Hey, good morning, Somgaga. Kuta the lady.
Morning.
Tato here in Randburg.
Hey,
Listen,
Tato.
can I just give Somizi his flowers? Because what he just did right now was a therapy session for every single man in this country who can't keep it in his pants. The advice you dished out today, Somgaga. Bona, you need all the flowers, all of them. And my advice to
Thank
Anonymous,
you.
just to add on to what Somgaga said, is I won't say it as softly as Somgaga, but he needs to grow up. He needs to figure out who he is and act accordingly. Grow up.
Our voice notes and calls today from gents, ladies, nowhere to be found today, huh?
That's a good thing.
Wow.
That's a good thing.
Wow.
Man to man. That's a good, because I think it's important for men to hold each other accountable.
Yeah.
In that way, men grow. Grow for the better. Because sometimes when it comes from a woman, the person that's receiving it might receive it as a nag or a criticism, or, hey, black women have got anger issues, and they're not listening. They're listening to defend. But when a brother calls another brother out, you're like, this must be serious.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
Correct.
Right.
Oh, your flowers.
Ah.
Hey, Som.
Our flowers.
So, Missy, thank you.
Thank you, Kutso. I'll see you. Your skin, Kutso. Are you dating? Are you married?
Yes, 10 years now.
Your skin is skinning.
Thanks, Som.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.